Welcome back. Now let's have a look at the happenings in Madgaon city.
The private bus operators called on the SP of South Goa Ellen Disa. Bus operators have demanded that RTOs should stop chalaning them. To this, SP clarified that bus owners should have required permissions.
They should get the buses registered first, and then their grievances could be solved. I also requested them to approach the RTO and DYSP traffic and sort out their grievances.
The village group of Goa have opposed the proposed regularization of encroachments on the Comunidad lands.
We will strongly object and we will never allow these encroachments to because there is a Supreme Court judgment dated 23rd of January 2011 says that community lands cannot be encroached upon, and hundreds of crores of rupees construction comes in community land, it has to be demolished.
Margao municipality has commenced drive to remove encroachments in the new market. On Wednesday, municipality confiscated goods worth Rs 70,000. But no sooner the officials moved out after the inspection, the vendors started their regular business on the cleared area. A reporter Samir Bhatt for Prudent Media.
The Goa University sports season has taken off. College students are in competition at the indoor hall at Kampal in the intercollegiate badminton tournament. But sadly, the performance levels of intercollegiate competitions have not risen apart from football, which is an exception. Goa University Physical Education Director Milton Fernandez told Prudent that Varsity Sports Council has decided to boost the level of university tournaments and make sure Goa do not participate in nationals to merely make up the numbers. Rather, the participation will be performance-based.
The annual university sports calendar begins with badminton, and this year too, shuttlers have participated in large numbers for the opening tournament, which will span over 4 days. GU's Physical Education Director Milton Fernandez revealed the change in thinking of the varsity as they aim to boost the college sports standard.
We have come up with a new energy, hopefully, and students also have all geared up. Most of them wait when to start the intercollegiate competition. And this year, the Sports Council of Goa University has approved two games, new games to be added in the program. One is baseball and the other one is taekwondo.
What can you say is the level of performance over the years? Can you say it's increased or it's sadly just been the same and stagnated at a level of?
I think in football, men, women, we are doing well as we are expected to do. Other games we really need to improve because we are trying, it's a team effort from all sides, but generally we need to improve on our performance.
What about the Vice Chancellor? You were sharing a little while back. He's of the opinion that the players should not just participate in nationals. Could you shed some light on that?
Yeah, there was a long discussion in the Sports Council chaired by the Vice Chancellor, the Registrar was there and various principals, college directors. It's a high-level body for sports in the university. And we were analyzing the performance, inter-university performance of Goa University teams. And it was felt that we need to do better than, because we are basically participating at the West Zone inter-university as the first step in most of the tournaments. And later on we go to All India level. And we really need to make our mark at least at the West Zone level, where in some games we are doing okay, but generally we need to really move a step ahead.
Any word on if the sports policy will now incorporate state sport association sports for merit marks for the students?
Yeah, the academic council will consider that step, and soon academic council is going to meet and they will decide, and we will most probably incorporate as marks for the state championship also. But the final decision is with the academic council.
Sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Omkar Fadari from Kampal.
The 13th President of India, Pranab Mukherjee, took oath on Wednesday at the Parliament. He was administered the oath by Chief Justice of India, S.H. Kapadia. Mukherjee was given a 21-gun salute and left for the Rashtrapati Bhavan. Pratibha Patil was the 12th President of India whose term got over on Wednesday.
I,
I, Pranab Mukherjee,
do swear in the name of God that I will faithfully execute the office of the President of India
do swear in the name of God that I will faithfully execute the office of President of India
and will, to the best of my ability, preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution and the law,
and will, to the best of my ability, preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution and the law,
and that I will devote myself to the service and well-being of the people of India.
and that I will devote myself to the service and well-being of the people of India.
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to www.prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter at Prudent Goa or meet us on Facebook at www.prudentfacebook.com. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.